His shoes. He gets my Bushnell waterproof scope.
They're fucking nice shoes, though. Whoever doesn't care about the deal gets shot by everybody here.
Yeah, whoever doesn't come through on their end of the bargain. All right, are you ready? Vans, shoes. Are you ready?
So, hold up. So June, after I finish school, I'm giving you the shoes, right?
I'm
throwing them at you, right?
Yeah.
All right.
After you finish school.
These shoes
For my scope. Pleasure doing business with you.
You're about to get butt raped.
Run across the open. Watch your left and right, though.
They're not coming to the left. The left's too far. They might come to the right because
They might have like a sniper in the left, though. Blast him. Good shit. Hey. No, he's lying. He thinks everybody's like he's lying. I know. We got 2 down.
I got a deal. I'm taking out 2. There was one other that you guys just shot.
There's 2 other. They're all.
Okay. Well, see, I took out the first one. He was there was one white guy that I didn't get a chance to shoot at. He was hiding, trying to get the guy with the helmet. But I couldn't get him.
They're coming. Got him. That's game. My hop-up was fucking jacked. Oh, John gets his little shoes. Is that game? Yeah, the utility guys are out. Dude, that guy was like, oh, I'm hit. Like, there's a bitch right next to you.
I wish I hit somebody over there because they start running away and I kept not.
that was Jason. You were coming. You came after you ran right towards us.
I don't know, like,
I can't believe I didn't hit you the first time.
yeah, did you hit? I was like, I like jumped on the ground.
Yeah, I knew I had to kill you at that point.
Ethan yelled hit at the road. Can you see anything? It's like right here.
That's where I shot you in the face.
Yeah, somewhere in the
Sorry.
forehead.
My bad. Let's go. Let's go.
Thanks. Good job.
Yeah, appreciate him. He's finally got a little bit of action out of it.
Dude,
Yeah, no,
you guys got kills, he's got kills.
You got really, really close to me. I felt him, like, you know, I saw him going right over my shoulder, the tree right beside me, so he was like, an immediate hard right, and I'm all like, oh yeah, he's close. Yeah. I didn't think you were going to get through all those limbs. I'm all like, ain't no way you shoot through all those limbs. I'm like, oh yeah, I was wrong. They're getting close. So, yeah.
You were like, dude, I'm hit. I'm like, dude, I see your guys sniping, trying to snipe me. You're trying to be sneaky.
No, dude, I already hit. I was like,
I know, I shot you, and then I saw your sniper like poking his head out. I was like, dude, I gotta hit that kid. I'll shoot. And he was like, no, I'm hit. I'm like, no, I'm not shooting at you. I'm not trying to hit you. I'm sorry.
No, we were together to here, and then we split up. Jason stayed.
I wasn't even awake until yeah, my goddamn sister woke me up for no fucking reason. But she wanted to play Guess Who.
How old's your sister?
Fucking 8.
Dude, what's your number?
Dude, what is up with people wanting to doink my 8-year-old sister? There's something fucked up, very fucked up
joking,
about
dude.
that.
Man, where are we going?
Going on the trail.
This trail looks like a road.
Oh yeah, this part is red. But like, you can use that part over there, and it's got GoPro about to die. Yeah, I won't make it.
Oh, great.
Oh my god, there's a lot of shit.
There's trenches and shit.
Yeah, there's electric. And then you can use people's fences and shit.
Dude, seriously, they're not
As long
gonna...
as we don't get caught.
Oh, great. Dude, don't tell other people that, because some asshole's gonna, like, hop behind their car. There's an old lady
And
right there.
then there's another trail right there.
Oh, shit.
And there's a bridge.
You better stay... Dude, check this out, Weston.
Playing right here.
Yeah.
We're playing through people's
Dude,
Yeah.
this is like...
We could like
I'm gonna be a seal.
Yeah. Seriously, I'm just gonna, like...
all that shit over there.
Dude, I'm straight up hopping in that water. Like, if somebody starts shooting at me,
Yeah.
I'm diving in.
This is where we're playing right here?
No, we're playing back there, right there, and then right here.
There's some old guy with a dog right there.
Who gives a shit? He's walking his dog.
What's my shit? If we're fucking shooting at him, he's got a little kid too.
Well, they're not. He's not gonna just sit there.
Yeah, I wish I didn't have this MAC 10.
Yeah, but weird.
Why? Me and Chance roll around with snipers
Yeah,
and shit,
dude,
shooting
but-
at birds.
But this is like your house.
Yeah,
Like, this
I know.
is sketchy as hell. Dude, we're in the middle of like the wide open. Dude, I bet you $20 cops come. Deal?
No, cops aren't gonna come.
Then shake on it.
Well, no.
Exactly, that's what I thought.
Well, they usually do come and just tell us to watch out for people.
They usually do come.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
This is bullshit. This guy's gonna be right here. He's gonna tell you. Why you guys not going?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, as long as they see the orange tip, like.
Maybe I should take that.
Well, no, just when they start pulling up, just take off.
US Navy SEALs. Don't run over the dude's little kid.
I'm not going.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
You think I was... Dude, can we like commandeer boats and stuff?
No, you cannot come here. Fucking food.
Dude, this is the sketchiest ass place I've ever played. It's the nicest place I've ever played, which makes it the sketchiest.
Like, what do you... Oh, shit. He's gonna get pissed.
Why?
Because I totally just left this shit laying on the ground.
Dude, chicken. Play chicken.
No.
Very nice.
Dude, you should see it. By my house, there's like this huge ass hill. He goes down that bitch full blast and does like 2 360s.
Yeah, dude. We should chill out here one day. Place looks
And that's
fun.
a dog.
That is a prostitute.
Anyone else here?
I waited until 11:40.
Other people are coming.
2v2.
Yeah, seriously, 2v2.
No, 2v3.
You want to just go grab your guns or something, then we can go to my house?
Well, let me go to your house.
Because